in-demand careers. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is my pleasure to stand before you today to discuss a topic that is crucial in our rapidly evolving world: the most sought-after jobs in today's market. As we navigate through the complexities of the modern economy, understanding which careers are most in demand can significantly influence our career choices and professional development. In recent years, the landscape of job opportunities has undergone substantial changes. With the advent of new technologies and shifting economic trends, certain professions have emerged as particularly desirable. Careers in technology, healthcare, and renewable energy, among others, are at the forefront of this transformation. This shift reflects a growing emphasis on innovation, sustainability, and the overall well-being of our society. Technology-related roles have seen a remarkable surge in demand. Positions such as software developers, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts are highly sought after. This trend is driven by the increasing reliance on digital solutions and the need for robust security measures in our interconnected world. Companies across various sectors are investing heavily in technological advancements, creating abundant opportunities for skilled professionals. Similarly, the healthcare industry continues to expand, fueled by an aging population and advancements in medical science. Roles such as registered nurses, medical practitioners, and health information technicians are in high demand. The focus on improving patient care and the integration of technology into healthcare practices are key factors contributing to this growth. The need for compassionate and skilled healthcare workers is more critical than ever. The renewable energy sector is another area experiencing significant growth. As the world grapples with climate change, there is a heightened demand for professionals in fields such as solar and wind energy, energy efficiency, and environmental science. Careers in this sector not only offer promising job prospects but also contribute to a sustainable future for our planet. This growing field reflects a global commitment to addressing environmental challenges through innovative solutions. Moreover, the rise of the gig economy and remote work has reshaped traditional employment models. Freelancers, remote workers, and digital nomads are becoming increasingly common, offering flexibility and diverse opportunities. This shift highlights the importance of adaptability and self-management skills in the modern workforce. As more people seek work-life balance and autonomy, these non-traditional roles are gaining prominence. Education and training play a crucial role in preparing individuals for these in-demand careers. Institutions and training programs are evolving to meet the needs of the job market, offering specialized courses and certifications. Continuous learning and skill development are essential for staying competitive and seizing new opportunities in a dynamic job landscape. In conclusion, the job market is continually evolving, driven by technological advancements, societal needs, and environmental considerations. By understanding the most in-demand careers and the factors driving their growth, individuals can make informed decisions about their professional paths. Embracing these opportunities requires a proactive approach to learning and adapting, ensuring that we are well prepared for the future. Thank you for your attention, and I wish you all the best in your career endeavors.